In this video, we're going over how to reset your LG K40 back to factory settings. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to reset your LG K40 back to factory settings. You want to go to the settings app right here. Make sure you're on the general tab at the top. We're going to go down to accounts and you're going to find the Google account and tap on it and hit remove account and remove. Press OK. Now this is super important. You have to remove the Google account before you reset the phone, or you will potentially lock the phone when you try to set it up again, or the person you're giving it to or selling it to, they will have trouble using the phone without your information. So you always remove the Google account first. Now we're going to go back and we're going to go down to general management, or actually take that back. We're going to go to restart and reset. Go to factory data reset and then reset phone. It will ask you to put in your security pin if you have one, and this is your last step. Delete all. Are you sure you want to delete all? Reset, and that's it. At this point, it is going to erase all of your information off of the phone and it's going to set it up like brand new. It will take anywhere from 30 seconds to about 5 minutes to get all your information off the phone and set it up like new. So don't touch the phone, just let it sit and let it reset. Hope you guys did find this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.